Hey everybody. Last week we worked on finding the area of parallelograms and triangles. So I just wanted to do a quick review with you before you do your practice assignment for a grade. First of all, let's remember that our base is the bottom that we're standing on, and our height should be straight up and down, right? Because we don't measure sideways. That's not how it goes. So we do not use slanty sides ever. Okay, if we have a parallelogram, then our equation should look like base times a height, and that is it, right? Just like a rectangle or a square. The only difference is that on a parallelogram, our height is not going to be the side, where on the rectangle it will. For our triangles, if we just do base times height, we are going to get way too much space, so we have to also take half. So our equation should have that half on it, and then the base times height. Okay, so your assignment today is this grid design. You've got your equations there at the top, so make sure that you use them. For each problem, I should see an equation written. For example, this is a triangle here, so I should see A equals 1/2 of a base times a height. And then this next one is a parallelogram, so my equation should just be A equals base times height. No half on this one. What we do need to watch out for is making sure that we are using the correct numbers. So remember to use your base, and your height should be straight up and down from that base. So some of these have extra slanty numbers that you should not use. Okay, if you do not find your answer within the grid, then you know that you need to go back and check your work. Make sure you use the correct equation and then check your calculation as well. Okay, this is due before the end of the period. Make sure you get it finished and turned in. It will be for a grade. Use your journal.